Welcome back to my another video. In today's lesson, I am going to teach you how to make a long sentence. How to make a long sentence. So, many of my students have requested me to make a lesson about how to make a long sentence. So, today I am going to teach you how to make a long sentence. Okay, you can follow this structure. I have added a structure here. Like in general, whenever we are going to make a sentence, we make sentence subject, verb, object. We all know about the sentence. What is sentence and what is there in a sentence? I mean, what is mandatory in a sentence? So it is a group of words which can express a complete sense or meaning, and there must have subject and verb, then object. Okay. So, in a sentence, subject and verbs are mandatory. Then object. So, it's general sentence, and then you can add time, the place, reason, and extra details. So, I have given an example here. Try to understand that. I practice English. I practice English, which means it's very normal, simple sentence. And then I have added every day, which means time, I practice English every day. And then place, where, at home, and then place, where, at home. And then you can add reason, because I want to become a fluent speaker, because I want to become a fluent speaker. And then extra details you can add. And communicate confidently with people, and communicate confidently with people around the world. So I made a long sentence, okay, following these rules. Can you understand what did I say? So following these rules, you can make a long sentence in easy way. Like sometimes many of my students, they told me, like whenever we are going to make a long sentence, that time we get confused how to make sentence longer. That's why I made this video. Like I practice English every day, which means general sentence. I practice English general sentence, then time, every day, at home, which means place, then reason, because I want to become a fluent speaker and communicate confidently, then and then extra details, and communicate confidently with people around the world. And this brings me at the end of the lesson. I will be back with a new lesson. Till then, take care, have a great day, and bye.